Hello and welcome to a new lesson. We will learn how to use grep and regular expression to analyze files. It's very important to know how to get data from log files to help you in troubleshooting process. I have created a file here called grep.txt, so let's cat grep.txt to display its content. As you see, we have some lines here, so let's start our lesson and practice the grep utility. Let's run grep, then Linux, then our file grep.txt. So this command will look for the word Linux inside grep.txt and it will display lines that has the word Linux. As you see from the shown result, I got lines that include word Linux and the word Linux highlighted in red. But if you noticed, I didn't get I love Linux or Linux comment line. And that's because grep with no option will look for the word in lowercase letters only. So if you want to get all lines that has word Linux without caring for case sensitive, you need to add -i option. So let's run the command again, and this time let's type -i option here. As you see from the shown result, we can see all lines that include word Linux, whatever there are lower or upper letters in the word Linux. Okay, now let's get the lines that start with the hashtag sign. So let's run grep, then between two quotations type caret, then hashtag, and our file grep.txt. So I typed the caret here to tell the grep command to look for a word that starts with hashtag. Now let's press enter. As you see from the shown result, I got the line that has a hashtag in the beginning. Okay, now I need to extract lines that start with capital letter H. So I will run the same command, but this time I will type here H capital. And as you see, I got the result that I need. Now let's check real example. Let's get all commented lines from Apache configuration file. So let's run grep caret hashtag, then the path to the Apache configuration file. And as you see, we got all commented lines from the Apache configuration file. Now let's grep user mtorc from password file. So I will run grep, then the username mtorc, then the path to the password file. As you see, I got the line that has word mtorc only, and this can help me if I want to list some information about certain user from the password file. Now let us say that I want to know all users that has shell access on the system. I can know such information from the password file. So let's run grep, then two quotations, bash and $sign. The $sign here to tell grep that I want all lines that end with the word bash. Okay, now let's type the path to the password file. As you see, I got all lines that end with the word bash. Okay, now let's run grep again. So grep, then two quotations and two braces. Between the braces type L small, L capital, then INUX. Then our file grep.txt. The LL between two braces means that I want to look for any word that include Linux, whatever the first character was lower L or upper L. And see you in next lesson.